What's up? Hey guys, it's Ivan. In the previous video, I talked to you about this one key thing that you need in order to be successful in affiliate marketing. And in this video, that's exactly what I want to cover. Now, don't mind the background. I'm sitting in a hotel. I'm on a vacation, but I really wanted to get this video out there for you. So let me just jump straight to the point and tell you the one thing that I found from my experience you really need to have to succeed in affiliate marketing is a little creativity, is being able to do something that no one else has done before you so that you can thwart that competition. Okay, so let me give you an example. Most of you guys are probably doing Facebook ads, Google ads, all that basic stuff. Why? Because most of the ads you see everywhere on your Facebook news feed, on your Facebook friend suggestions is something like, hey, master Facebook ads, learn how to do Facebook ads, see these 10 key things you need to be good at Facebook ads, right? Facebook ads is this big center thing around there. If it's not Facebook, maybe it's something like Google, maybe it's something like how to build a great autoresponder. So the thing that's going on in your head is, well, hey, I need to have a funnel, I need to use Facebook ads, and I need to have an autoresponder to be successful, period. However, that is not the case. Most ClickBank affiliates, most Max Bounty affiliates, or at least some of them, they don't only promote using Facebook ads. There are tons of other methods that are used to promote, and you should be aware of them, and you should try all of them out before just going with one thing. Now, I'm the type of person that actually likes to stick to one thing and master it and do that one thing until I see results. And that's totally fine. But what I want to open your eyes to is try out a bunch of different things so that you can get some ideas, so that the next time you start a project, you come up with something above and beyond what everyone else is doing. So for example, there are people not only doing Facebook ads, they're doing banner ads, they're doing ads that lead to this fake news article, which works great. I've done it, I've tried it. Having a fake news article which has people saying testimonials. Now the news itself doesn't have to be fake. The people actually there do have those results, but the fact that it's a news article is fake. It's not actually a news article. And you say that as a disclaimer. That stuff works. People click on it. As an example, the Rowan Atkinson case, right? People thought that Rowan Atkinson was dead due to this news article saying, oh, he's dead, right? And then when people clicked on it and watched it, they were redirected to a page that made them enter their or call a number and then enter their card details, and they were scammed. Now imagine if this wasn't a scam. Imagine if this was a legitimate product. You would actually be able to get some legitimate money. People pay attention to that stuff. Is this something you learn about and hear about everywhere? No, not really. This is something you have to kind of learn on the side that no one really tells you to do. Why? Well, because this is how they make money. And if they tell you to do it too, you're going to be there competing against them, right? They don't want that. And so here I have an example, right? On this YouTube page, on this Yahoo page, some news articles. Now, these are probably all legitimate, but some of them, if they say ad, that they may not necessarily be legitimate. So in this case, I don't really see anything that says ad or sponsored, but sometimes on websites that you do see those ads. And people are so used to seeing something like this, saying, oh, hey, well, if it's in this format, it must be real. Well, that's not necessarily the case. And on those websites where you see these kind of ads saying, oh, person makes $10,000 in 2 seconds, click here to learn how, you're like, oh wow, well this must be a real news article, let me click on it. And then they click on it, then they're taken to the a news page, which takes them to an affiliate page. That stuff works. That is an example. The first one of my first sales actually was not due to a typical landing page where I give away free content and then take them to a sales page. It was actually a landing page / sales page, and I took people to the order form right after that. And on that page, I had a video, I had the full sales prompt explaining what my product was, and I had them enter their name and email. And I got my first $1,000 sale from that a few months into affiliate marketing. Is this the traditional method of give away something for free, link to a sales page. No, it's something different, something no one tells you about. But this isn't too crazy. This isn't too creative of an idea. But I'm telling you, try something different. Don't necessarily do what people tell you. The people that are winners here are those that go above and beyond and do something no one else can really do. So for instance, on ClickBank, there are a bunch of products that if you probably put on even Google and Bing and Facebook, you'll probably be disapproved. So what do? You take the landing page that you're provided, or you hire someone to create a sales page just like the sales page you're given, and you alter it. You alter it based on the things that work. Pop-ups, a little maybe bar at the top that says, "Hey, urgent. This is going to end soon. Click on it now. Take action." Maybe a timer. Stuff like that. Clear call to action. If that's lacking, you do that yourself. This is something not every affiliate is going to do. This is you getting creative and getting in there and doing something above and beyond. And then you submit that in. And this isn't something every affiliate is going to do, right? And this is what will get you results. Sometimes you see affiliate products giving you autoresponders to use that are very generic, saying, "Hey, what's up? As I told you last time, here's the link to this awesome product. Click here to get it. Goodbye." Like that's, nowadays people aren't going to even read those emails. So what you have to do is take those autoresponders and make them fit to your style. Add some value in there, add some content, make it your own, add your voice in there. That is not something every affiliate is going to do. That is how you would get results, okay? You tweak things on whatever content you're given, whatever is presented. Some ads that are even disapproved, if you find a way to get them approved, not every affiliate is going to do that, go through that whole process. There's some other examples. There's survey landing pages, which I found work pretty damn well. So again, usually the landing pages you see are those that have, get this thing for free, enter your email, right? You usually don't see landing pages with surveys, but those things work great. Why? Because first of all, people think that as they're doing that survey right there, they deserve something. Hey, I'm giving you my time. I'm filling this survey. What are you going to give me? Hey, here's an email, submit. Let's get a free card. And then people say, well, okay, well, I deserve this free card. Therefore, I'm going to enter my email to get it because I filled this survey, as opposed to getting them just enter that email right away when they think, okay, well, this may be scam. I didn't do anything, right? Second of all, it gets them to click yes a bunch of times. As people click yes, 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 or whatever button, they're getting more and more committed and involved. And as they click those survey answers, they're getting more and more involved in whatever you're offering. It's harder for them to say no. So for those reasons, I found surveys to be extremely useful. So don't only stick to those basic generic landing pages and try them 10 different times. It's great if you do, but I'm saying try something different for a while. If you're not seeing results right away, try something different. Make that survey landing page, see if that works for you for different products. It works extremely well for CPA offers, because you just have that survey, you take them to this link saying, hey, just enter your email now to get this thing, whatever it is, and they enter their email and they get the prize. Or let's look at another example. I saw this YouTube video actually quite a while ago by Justin something, basically where he talks about how he made money, and I can put a link if you guys are interested down below. Basically the way he suggested to make money off ClickBank, and he showed the results and the stuff worked, is by going on different YouTube videos related to your product and asking the owners of those videos to add your affiliate link to their description, right? That's not something every affiliate would have thought of doing, but the guy got creative. I don't know who he got the idea from, but whoever the first person was to get that idea was brilliant, right? Go to YouTube, find videos that are related, and get people to add your affiliate link in the description. Now, as long as it makes sense, right? Don't make it like some scammy offer that doesn't make sense to the video at all. The better your funnel is laid out, the higher the chances of success. But that's pretty cool. You're getting some pretty awesome really targeted traffic that is probably much cheaper than Google and Facebook. It's probably going to be much cheaper as long as it's targeted and your page is looking good, it's probably going to get some high conversions because you already have that audience there, right? So try that, give that a try, right? That's something someone didn't think of at some point. Now it's more so prevalent, even though there's still a lot of people that probably don't do that because it's hard work and there's no kind of uh, results guarantee. But that's definitely something worth trying to take it a step further. Don't go just to YouTube, go to blogs as well. There are tons of blogs. Talk to blog owners and ask them, hey, can you put maybe this article on your blog for, you know, 50 bucks a week? I'll pay you, or something like that. I'll pay you 50 bucks for just this article, or I'll pay you 50 bucks to put in this affiliate link in this blog, for example, right here at the bottom. Try that, give that a try. So what I'm saying is be creative in your ways to spread your message. You don't have to only do it this one way. And as soon as I started experimenting and started trying out different new things, I started crushing my competition for high gravity products, because there is that competition. I know that those gravity products are selling, but I did something no one else has done. And that's what you can do. Just open your mind, try to think of ways to promote your products, as here the clear results are shown from this Mr. Bean case of these articles, you know, and that's just these news articles. There's these banner ads that are definitely working wonders for a bunch of people if you haven't tried them yet. You have people sending links on YouTube. You have people doing, you know, landing page / sales page. Try direct linking to offers. You don't have to always send traffic to your landing page, then to the sales page. It is the optimal way. You collect the email, you build a long-term business, but hey, if it doesn't work, maybe try direct linking. See if that works. See if you get sales. Ultimately, sales is your goal, right? Not opt-ins. Ultimately, you want sales. So if you can't even get opt-ins, you're not getting anywhere, right? So what I'm saying is try different things, open your mind for a bit, take a step back and think what you can do differently from others. Was your ad rejected? Okay, let's not give up here and let's see if we can actually get this ad approved. Are you seeing a lot of people are using Facebook to promote the same product? Okay, let's not use Facebook. Let's use something else. Let's see what else we can do to promote this product. Or maybe, are they using Facebook? Are they using Messenger ads? Are they using, I don't know, different tactics through Facebook? Whatever it may be, right? That's where you get creative. That's where you take a step back and you think about these different things that aren't really taught to you. These are more kind of undercover because people don't want to share their promotion secrets for obvious reasons. They don't want to give away their results because then they'll be competing with you, right? So really the biggest thing you see online is how to get good with Facebook ads, right? And you kind of close your mind and you say, okay, well, Facebook ads is the only way to make money. No, it's not. There are tons of other ways to make money. Facebook ads is huge, but there are other ways to make money that no one's ever heard of, that you will have no competition against. Even Bing ads, right? At some point, the clicks were really cheap. I was getting, for 2 of my products, when I just started Bing 2 years ago, the clicks I got for those products cost between 5 to 10 cents each. Now they're 50 to 60 cents. So the competition is growing. So you can imagine how much more profitable I was back then than I am now, because that competition is growing. So kind of find this gold rush, try out different things. If you haven't, try out banner ads, try having survey landing pages, try having a landing page and sales page. And one other really cool thing is have you in there. Try adding you and your personality, because people don't buy products, people buy people. So this is one important thing I should probably mention much earlier, but that first product I made, the sale for $1,000, it was my video. It was me. It was me sharing my experience, talking about myself, stuff like that, because people buy people, okay? So I was able to build rapport with those people rather than what you see with most products, where it's just a link from, you know, email submit form to affiliate offer right away, where the guy just talks, hey, this product is so great, buy this product. But people don't know who that person is. Is there a real person that advertises, that promotes this product? Try it out. That stuff works too if you add yourself to the mix. Try making a news article landing page. There are tons of blog page templates in ClickFunnels, for example, if you're using. And you can create a news article from that blog template, right? Then also, if you don't like a sales page from an affiliate network, what you can do, if you're concerned about actually getting that commission, what you can do is use dynamic affiliate links, where you place that cookie for that sales page onto your own sales page that you create. And then you can take people from that sales page straight to the order form page, which is what I did with that product I sold. You can take people straight from that sales page to the order form page, still getting that commission because the cookie is there, okay, even though the page is not that affiliate vendors. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Just open your mind, try out different things. If you can do something no affiliate has done before and get that targeted traffic, you will win. That's how you do it. That's how you win with affiliate marketing. Get a little bit more creative and do a good job, not a really crappy job with doing something new. Make a decent landing page or website or whatever it is you're doing to get those conversions. Okay, so I hope you guys found value. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I cover a lot of different online marketing tools, tips, tricks, reviews, etc., etc. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.